Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at AccentForex. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. AccentForex is a no-dealing desk Forex and CFD broker that specializes in PAMM or Percentage Allocation Management Module trading systems and offers flexible trading accounts. This broker is regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission or VFSC and is based in Vanuatu. With AccentForex, you can start trading with as little as $50 US, and this broker offers a unique currency transfer feature known as MoneyBox. Accounts can be funded using euros or US dollars, and each client gets 2 MoneyBoxes. The MoneyBox basically allows you to seamlessly transfer and convert funds between your trading accounts instead of depositing funds in different currencies each time. The AccentForex accounts can be used for scalping, high-volume trading, automated trading, and hedging. AccentForex uses direct market access execution and offers reliable, profitable PAMM trading services, which means that this broker makes it easy for traders to connect with professional investors and money managers who are willing to trade on their behalf. PAMM trading may seem similar to copy trading. However, instead of simply following strategies and duplicating trades, a PAMM account allows you to get more personalized money management services from trading experts. So whether you are looking for an experienced money manager to handle your investments, or you would like to trade on your own, AccentForex offers accounts for all types of traders. AccentForex offers more than 140 shares, futures, metals, as well as currencies, and there are 64 currency pairs you can trade with this broker. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with AccentForex and the spreads this broker offers, click on the For Traders tab and go to the Choose Trading Account page and click on one of the account links to see which instruments you can trade on that account. This broker offers a user-friendly website, and you can easily find information about the trading conditions they offer, the accounts you can open, and the instruments you can trade by either choosing an option from the menu bar or scrolling to the bottom of the page and choosing an option from the listed menus. AccentForex provides 24-hour customer support, and you can reach them via email or live chat. You can find direct email addresses for all the departments by clicking on the About Us tab and heading over to the Contacts page. We would also recommend reading through their FAQ section to help you with managing your account and understanding the basics of AccentForex's trading conditions. AccentForex offers a 35% withdrawable deposit bonus if you deposit $300 US or more, and a 30% non-withdrawable bonus if you deposit $100 US or more. The 35% deposit bonus is a one-time bonus. However, the 40% deposit bonus can be received many times, so you can get more out of every trade with AccentForex. You can also join the AccentForex loyalty program to earn 8% annual interest on the current balance of your account. And instead of penalizing inactive customers, they will also get a bonus in the form of 2% per year on their account balance. There are 4 types of accounts that you can open with AccentForex, and this broker also offers a swap-free account and a demo account. All accounts have negative balance protection, and they can be used for hedging, scalping, automated trading, and margin trading. These accounts have similar features, but they have different minimum deposit requirements and leverage limits. And contract sizes are bigger on the Profit account. The Micro, Mini, and Profit accounts have no slippage and the STP accounts have no requotes. The first type of account you can open is the beginner-friendly micro account, and you can start trading on this account with as little as $50 US. You can use the micro account to trade Forex, stocks, and metals. Commission fees on this account are low, and the maximum leverage allowed is 1 to 500. The mini account requires a minimum deposit of at least $100 US and offers spreads from 0.5 pips. Trades can be leveraged by up to 200 times on the mini account, and the minimum volume you can trade on this account is 0.1 lots. So this account has tight spreads and lower risks. The profit account also has spreads from 0.5 pips, however requires a minimum deposit of at least $1,000 US and is designed for professional traders. A maximum leverage of 1 to 100 is allowed on the profit account. The minimum volume that can be traded on the profit account is 1 lot, and we would recommend opening this account if you are trading in bigger volumes. Any trading strategies can be used on the mini and profit accounts, and the profit and STP accounts give you access to the full list of instruments offered. The STP account offers the tightest spreads, starting from as low as 0.1 pips. However, it has the highest minimum deposit, and you will need to deposit at least $10,000 US to use this account. This account allows a maximum leverage of 1 to 200 and is designed for high-volume traders with a bigger trading budget. If you plan on automating your trades or using expert advisors, then we recommend using the mini, profit, or STP accounts. AccentForex uses a no-dealing desk order execution model, and all accounts have low commission fees. You can also open a demo account, which is the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. With AccentForex, your demo account will never expire, and you can take all the time you need to practice trading and test your strategies. Muslim clients also have the option of opening a swap-free Islamic account. No interest or rollover fees are charged on overnight positions with this account. And if you want to use a swap-free account, all you need to do is send an email to the customer support team and submit your request. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions AccentForex offers, click on the For Traders tab and head over to the Choose Trading Account page. AccentForex also specializes in PAMM trading solutions, and this is a reliable and profitable alternative to copy trading. Instead of simply duplicating the trades of strategy providers, you can entrust a professional money manager to trade on your behalf. If you'd like to trade through a money manager, you can monitor the performance of your trades from the client portal, and there is no limit to the number of PAMM accounts you can invest in. PAMM accounts can have more than one investor, and all the funds will be pooled and managed by a professional investor who will trade in the best interests of everyone. Profits will then be distributed based on the deposits that were made, and the initial capital of the trading account could be much higher than trading on your own. So PAMM accounts have great potential. If you are ready to invest in PAMM accounts, create an account and click on the Investments tab. Your AccentForex accounts can be linked to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and so much more. This platform comes with easy-to-read interactive charts, and you can monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. You can find download links for the MetaTrader 4 platform by clicking on the For Traders tab and heading over to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform page. Creating an account with AccentForex may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the AccentForex homepage, and then click on the Open Account tab. Complete the online application form. Next, you will want to verify your account and email address, and then log into the client portal. Once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and start trading with AccentForex. What you'll want to do next is download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with AccentForex. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to get started. AccentForex provides beginner's guides that you can use to learn the basics of trading. And you can also keep the Forex glossary on hand if you come across any unfamiliar terms. You will also have access to market news updates and technical analysis reports, Forex analytics, and an economic calendar. You can use the economic calendar to keep track of major economic events, and it will help you make more informed decisions when trading. Accounts can be funded using Skrill and Nutella, Visa, and MasterCard credit cards, bank wire transfer, Bitcoin, Ether, or Tether. We usually take a look at the awards our top-rated brokers have received in order to get a better understanding of what their strengths are. However, AccentForex does not currently have any awards listed on their website. But this broker is regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission and is compliant with strict anti-money laundering policies, which adds some credibility to this broker. Overall, there are many ways to trade, and with AccentForex, you can trade with any style and all strategies. This broker is renowned for its PAMM and money management account solutions, and we highly recommend trying it out if you are interested in diversifying your investments. AccentForex is a regulated broker that has been around for over a decade and offers flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account today to claim your deposit bonuses and get a head start on your trading career with AccentForex. And that is our overview of AccentForex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.